Here's a quick and easy way to tell a right male slip joint hinge from a left hand male. If you can pick the hinge up in your right hand with the pin pointing up and the pin on the side of the leaf facing you, then it's a right hand male. The same goes for a left hand set, grasping the leaf, making sure the pin is up. The pin is on the leaf side towards you, then it's a left hand hinge. You can't grab the left hand hinge in your right hand the same way, unless the pin is pointing down. The left female fits together with the left male, and the leaves are on the same side of the pin. Left male, left female. How's that for making hardware easy? You can check out all our products on www.guden.com or our custom hinge site, www.hinges.com. Thanks a lot.